Hey guys, welcome back to the show. In this episode, I'm going to talk to you guys about why entrepreneurs need to create content consistently on social to remain relevant. So stay tuned for the episode. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. Now, in this episode, I really want to talk to you guys about why, as an entrepreneur, you need to be focused on one thing and one thing consistently when it comes to marketing and building your business. And that one key thing is creating content. Now, in the past, I've seen, a lot of content creators and, content producers and all of these content creators, will focus on 5, 6, 7, 10 different platforms. And, which is good. You're getting content out to your audience that is on a specific platform. And when you first start out in content creation, you want to focus on one specific platform. So that is why, when you first start out, you want to focus on that one specific platform, whether it's TikTok, whether it's Instagram, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Snapchat, whether it's, all of these different platforms. You want to focus on one particular platform and then branch out to the other major platforms. So, and that's why once you have a specific platform that you're zoned in on, let's say TikTok, you want to create content around, whatever it is your niche is or whatever it is your topic is, and you want to get eyeballs on your content. So you want to, create these trendy hashtags, have a personal brand hashtag, a business hashtag, and whatever maybe your company hashtag. That way people can reach you and want to do business with you. So that's why when it comes to content creation, you want to always have a content storage or a plethora of content ideas stored up. That way you don't have to continuously think about what am I going to come up with next, or what is my content going to be about today. And there's so many ways that you can do content now. You can do posts, you can do reels, you can do stories, you can do video, you can do written content, you can do video. So there's massive ways that you guys can put out content on the internet. And another one, which what I'm doing right now, podcasting, you guys can do that as well. So you have to 100% promote your business, whether it's on IG, whether it's on Facebook, whether it's on Snapchat, whether it's on your website or your podcast, or through video, or through newsletters, or whatever other way that there is possible. Or even radio, you guys can do that as well. So there's so many different ways that you guys can build your business. And a whole lot of content creators need to put out content, even if you're brand new to the scene, even if you just say hey and give your background and create a carousel post out of it, or make a video, or do a IG live session, or whatever it is. That first piece of content may be the video quality may be bad, or you can't find your words right, or there's a variety of different things that may go wrong. Just post it anyway. you may get positive reviews, you may get negative reviews, but what happens in the long run is that you gain visibility, you gain eyeballs on your content. So just keep putting out content, whether it's good, whether it's bad, whether it's not so good, not so bad, and just keep putting out there, because once you keep putting out content on social, you gain an audience, you gain eyeballs that weren't there before, now focus solely on your content, and they may want to do business with you. And so many people miss out on making content, and that can be one of two reasons. Number one, they're scared of what people might think, and number two, they're hearing different opinions from different people on what social media and content creation should be from their perspective. So just focus on you, do your thing, and whether it's good, whether it's bad, and a lot of times people will take it out of context. But let me just put it to you this way: one of the best things as a content creator that you can do is put content out on the internet. That is one of the best things that you can do as a content creator, is put out content on the internet. So in 2022, if you haven't done so already, if you're new to the content scene, if you're new to this game, my advice: put out content regardless of what people may think, or what people may say, or what people may think of your ideas. Put it out anyway. You never know who might be watching, or who is looking at your content, or who may want to do business with you. So it's very important that you put out content, and do so consistently, whether it's daily, whether it's weekly, on all the platforms that you have, all the channels that you're a part of, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, podcasting, video, live video, and all these other methods of communication. Put out content on those platforms, and you may reach a bigger audience, you may gain thousands of followers, but the key vanity metric is you putting out content consistently. Thanks guys for listening to the show. Please make sure you leave a review on Apple Podcasts or wherever you guys get your podcast, and make sure to subscribe or follow us for more episodes of the show. Thanks guys.